The video demonstrates a 50 caliber round striking an armored CG upgraded Cybertruck window, creating a visible external crater but no penetration, as confirmed by inserting a finger through the hole and inspecting the intact interior. This aftermarket glass upgrade builds on the Cybertruck's factory 9mm resistant stainless exoskeleton, offering NIJ Level 3+ protection against rifle rounds for high-security applications like executive transport. A person fires a single 50 Browning machine gun round, one of the most powerful rifle cartridges available, directly at the window from a moderate distance. There is a visible impact on the exterior of the glass. The window develops a significant crater on the outside surface, with cracking and fracturing around the hit point. The glass clearly takes heavy damage and shatters in the impact zone, but the bullet does not fully penetrate into the cabin. This emphasizes that while the outer layer is heavily damaged, the inner layer is held, preventing the round from entering the vehicle.